Today our lesson about lighting. In your company, when you start work, project manager may ask you to do lighting calculation. So when you start lighting, anyway, let me open. First of all, you should know about what illuminance level, where take illuminance level, lighting level, from which standards, yes? In Canada, we follow recommendations of IESNA. IESNA. IESNA, it's a organization, Illumination Engineering Society of North America. They have website, you see? Illuminating Engineering Society of North America. They are scientists located in US, and they have manual, this lighting brands, by the way. And company usually has manual from them. It's expensive book, but for you, what I recommend, in your mobile phone, find this app. If you have Samsung or, I don't know, Apple, in Play Market, Google Market, Play Store, find this IES app and install it. You will have access to all lighting levels for different rooms. So we take it from there, yes. And also, you see, this is lighting plan. Lighting plan has both. You see, I selected RCP. This is RCP from architect. Ceiling and lights. Lights also, you see, lights there. I copy, if I open XREF, external reference, I see this is RCP from architect, ceiling from architect, basically. They focused on some rooms, not all rooms, but some rooms with interior design. Like if we talk about condo, it's amenity spaces. As electrical designer, we still design ourselves lighting in a back house, storages, electrical rooms, service corridors, parking area. This is our design. It's not interior design. So when anyway, when you have to locate lights, we should do always lighting calculations. Some companies ignore it. Yes, you know, some companies might ignore. They follow some kind of experience, but it's not correct way. We have to do lighting calculation. Lighting calculation software. Let me close it. And in addition to IESNA, we follow Ontario Building Code requirements, minimum lighting requirements. Ontario Building Code available and free. Section 3, yes. We can use search, Control F. Minimum lighting. You see minimum lighting requirements, rule 327, sub rule 3271. This is sub rules about minimum lighting. That's it about lighting in Ontario Building Code, but important values here. For example, 50 lux. it's for corridors in condo. Corridors, you see. Group B, important value, elevator machine room, not less than 100 lux. Then food preparation area, kitchens, 500 lux. Storage, dressing room, service room, 300 lux. I also should mention you about emergency lighting. Yes, in addition to lighting, we design emergency. Lux for emergency, it's different. Lux for emergency, it's a 10 lux minimum. So you can start read Ontario Building Code about lighting and emergency lighting. There is also exit signs rules. If we type here exit sign, it will be rule where we locate exit signs. There are lots of rules. You see, regarding lux level, I mentioned it's a 10 lux for emergency lights, average level, average. 10 lux, and minimum should be 1 lux, so no any dark spaces in a room. There are lots of rules here. You see about how many hours also should be emergency lights for different kind of buildings. We'll focus to Ontario Building Code when we start fire alarm design.